Yeah, Dominican Girl TV. Get back here again, you know.
Oh.
We have more extended family link up again, guys. As you can see, you know, we got more extended family link up. Jamaican Girl TV, the building. You can see it already.
Yeah man, we run. Yeah man, we go down there man and take some clips and yeah.
Parkway, you know.
Yeah.